We're looking at a HireLogic site with kind of a new kind of style of home page layout. I kind of like this kind of welcome bar. It's got the welcome, some of my links here, and then this is actually the all content feed or the all content widget. So right now it's showing files as well as some discussion data, and eventually I think it will show event data also with a different little icon. But anyway, this launched I think like a week ago, and just found out um, from the client. They said, "Hey Phil, check out this page. What happened to the logo?" So throughout the site, with the logos left aligned and everything, and this for some reason only on pages like this, and it took me a second to figure out there is something coming from this. It's because we're on the workspace. It's loading like a couple additional CSS files, and that's causing a conflict in the header. Now, keep in mind, HireLogic has no theme editor, so all the HTML comes from HireLogic. I can't edit the HTML. So, interestingly, there's a style that's affecting my entire header. It's actually coming from this file, HL Design Styles for WS. WS stands for workspace, I guess, but it's got some, so this fixes it. So if we were just to remove this file, but we have to load it just because there's we don't really have a theme editor where we can modify that. So it's really supposed to be doing display inline block. So this also comes from HireLogic. This is like the base CSS file. For some reason, we have two different files, HL baseline bootstrap adjustments and HL design styles for WS, that are causing, or they're overriding the normal style that we get throughout the rest of the site. So it's kind of strange. I think HireLogic needs to take another look at this file, because I don't think they realize they're affecting the header, not just whatever's happening down in the workspace. But a quick fix, I'm going to use the ID here, desktop logo div display inline block, and that would fix it. So you can add that to your theme. But eventually, I think HireLogic is going to need to get in there and make their styles more specific, because it's probably causing issues. I assume anyone using Workspace, they're probably getting some kind of change in their header. It happened to affect this one a lot. Everyone's theme is different, but this is one example of a regression issue. I don't think it was fully tested before they rolled it out, but the problem is coming from these two files that load when you're using Workspace. Not everyone uses Workspace, but definitely looks like some kind of a bug. This is a quick fix you can use, and I'll paste this into the discussion.